Hi my friends, let's model the part number 50 whistle body from my collection of 100 parts. As you can see, half of them are already modeled, but the other half is slightly complicated. Yes, the complexity increases from number to number to the 100. This particular part has this picture, and you can see a revolution body with some cuts, holes, etc. Let's take a look to the drawing to see what is this about. You see a number of holes here and a pretty complicated drawing. We have to be very careful with this, but we have another mean. You can capture this image from your screen and then clip it to these dimensions and then use it in your sketch. I did this for you and I'll show you how to do this procedure. The plane is XY. To make this, I activate image and I bring a picture. This is the picture, a larger picture with the drawing. Yes. Now I can move this picture over the screen in the graphic area of the Inventor, and I want to scale it and to place somewhere, because you see you can make a lot of things with this picture. You can move, you can rotate, everything. First thing first is to make this side horizontal. You can constrain the sketch by using the constraint tools from our toolbox. The height of this part is this, 154. Good. I'll draw a line, a center line with that length, 154. Okay, this is the center line, and now I move the picture over this line. I place it over the sketch, and now I have to make a smaller picture. Yes, to be as equal as possible with this, with that line. Now it seems to be okay, not okay, but this is not so important. We draw lines by fixing. I fix this picture to be not movable. Now, of course, you see fully constrained. F9 to make this not visible, and now I draw lines from the end of my sketch, not from lines in the picture because they are not selectable. And I draw lines over the ones of the drawing. The arc below I leave it at the end. I start from the other end of the center line. If you want to have no parallelism or any other constraint, automatic constraint, you can keep pressed the key control. I keep this and I draw lines, but now you see, my computer or Inventor wants to draw a perpendicular line. I want to be not perpendicular, but when I very near this point, I cannot do this. I press Control and nothing is suggested. Now I released. You see, now the Inventor wants to be aligned with this line existent. I draw. This is draw. So I keep Control pressed, and now I release it. I draw only external revolution contour. Now I keep pressed the left button of the mouse and I go to the end of the previous contour. Now I make not visible this image, you see here, visibility, and I have my drawing. Very useful. There are some lines which are not vertical. This one, vertical, horizontal, this one is one of them. This one is not good. What is this? Now, okay. And now I start to place dimensions. We'll see if any line is not okay. Good. Dimensions are diameter of 50, 28 and 4, radius 12. Let's use this for the moment. This is a diameter of 50. From this point to here is 28. This line is 4 millimeters. This diameter is 46. And now the other. The external diameter is 70, and then we go down. But let me finish this end. 70. And radius 12. 12. Good. Let's deal with this section. which has a dimension here of 66 of this clearance, and the rest is 90 is another dimension. This is 90. 7, 14, 22, 40, and diameters of 66 this point, 70 this point, and 74 this cylinder. Good. Let's use these dimensions. 90 was this. 90. You see, the approximation is very good. If you draw with the care, 7 is this. 12. Not 12, 14, 22, 40, this is 66, and here are 3 diameters: 66, 70, and 74. Okay, fully constrained. Revolve, select axis. This is the axis. Okay. You see the first revolve. Now I make the hollow inside the body and this sketch, this plane, new sketch. This is another way to open a new sketch. F7. From the other sketch, I tried to make it visible, but I must make visible also the sketch. Now it is okay, and being fixed, I can use it as well to draw the inside. What I did well. Very nice. Now dimensions from inside: 56, 35, diameter of 38, 44. That's all, and radius of 5. Good. 56, I applied a higher speed to the monotone sequences. Fully constrained. You can verify. This is 35. This is collinear with this. 14, 18, all other dimensions are here. Okay, finish sketch, revolve. Now it is automatic. I choose cut, and we see how is this part looking. Good. Next, I think is this cut. Yes, 55 from the 7, this 7, 16 here. Good. XY, sketch, F7, rectangle from this point, this end, tab to apply 55, and now I place the dimension of 16. Good. There are two fillets here, radius 5, fillet 5, this corner and this corner. Escape, fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude now, symmetric, cut all the way. Okay, this is okay. Now I see here something interesting. As you can see, there is a small cut from the superior part of the body and a face here. Let's start with this cut, or to this level, and then we'll create that two corners. We have dimensions here, and we see that 33 is the cut from this circle. There is a cut. We have to apply this cut. We create a sketch on this face. I press F5 to see back the same view, and now I draw a line There are many circles here. Now I create an arc and I place the dimension of 33. 33 from the line to the projection of center point. 33. Finish sketch. Extrude this contour. Cut all the way. OK. F6. This is the face, the little face. Now we'll make another sketch on the same plane. to create these two corners. As you can see, this face is tangent to the cylinder. Okay, we see this. So I select the same face, I apply F5 to see it from the same point of view, and now I draw a full circle with this center and this point. Now I make everything here as construction lines, and I draw a line with a length of 53, and parallel with this one. You saw I waited to be aligned. And now I place midpoint to midpoint, and I have points from where to draw tangents. This is a tangent, look now, and this must be the other one, but now I look here, I press F7 to see from up. Yes, why? Because I want to draw a tangent from here to the circle. I split to have this and this arcs selectable and converting to normal lines. Split again, to have, now is only one, no, two, and now I have two closed contours. Finish sketch, extrude, this and this, the other direction, and the dimension is here 8. Yes, this is the extrusion 8. Okay, F6. Another protuberance of this part is this. It is in the back, I cannot see, but at the distance of 48 from this plane. A circle of 28 extruded from the plane to the part, to next. I turn the model, I select this plane, and I write here minus 48. This is the plane where I create a sketch with a circle of 28 diameter on the same horizontal. This is horizontal, yes, because Z is vertical. Same horizontal. If you like, you can use this placement, and horizontal is horizontal. Finish sketch, extrude to next. Okay, visibility. There is a fillet here of 3. Let's create, do not forget. 3. Okay, now the hole 16, hole, face, concentricity, and 16 is already written here. Okay, what else? What else? Only these 4 holes. Yes, around the part there are 1, 2, 3, 4 holes, and I have no other idea but creating an extrude on a circle here and then a circular pattern. Okay, I select my favorite plane to create a sketch. F7, circle with a diameter of 8 on the same vertical. Now is vertical because it's my favorite plane. Yes, at a distance of 25. Finish sketch. Extrude through, and I select cut. Okay, now is cut. Circular pattern of this last feature about this axis, 4 instances. Okay, F6. I think the part is finished, my friends. Everything is placed. Okay. So I select material, which is steel carbon, cast, and some faces machined. I keep pressed the key Shift during this selection. Still polished. F6, and this is the part. Its data is here, 1.5 kilograms. That's all for the moment. Bye bye.